Yes, it's been Fat Biker Studio again. If this is your first time to tune in to my channel, hit the subscribe button at pati bell icon na rin para every week you will get all my weekly videos from YouTube. Okay, if you are an owner, okay, kung kayo ay may mga sasakyan, okay, I think kailangan mong magkaroon nitong gadget na to. At meron tayong nakuha, okay, from Lazada. So join me to unbox this one and let's check it out how to use it. Okay, let's get it on, guys. Okay guys, we're back. This is Fat Biker Studio. It's another gadget to unbox and tutorial how to use this one, no? Gaya na sinabi ko, I able to get this one from Lazada. Okay, kung ikaw ay may kotse, okay, motorbike, or even bicycle o mga bisikleta, no, you will definitely appreciate this kind of gadget. Okay, so let's try to open this one, and I think you must have this as well. Okay, let's start the unboxing of this gadget. Okay, so again, for all those viewers out there who not yet subscribed to my channel, I think this is your right time to hit the subscribe, okay, and the bell icon na rin para every week you will receive all my gadget reviews, travel, drawing, and current events. Okay, so there you go guys. Okay naman yung pagkakabalot na ito. So this is the gadget, may bubble pack naman so hindi siya sira. Try to open. Ayan, may love letter. Okay, ang sabi dito. So may love letter. Thank you, okay, for purchasing this item. Okay, so rektahan na po tayo. As you can see, this is the gadget. This is an air compressor, okay, 12 volts, okay, automatic stop kapag nag-inflate o nagpapahangin kayo ng mga gulong nyo, especially sa mga kotse at auto dyan. Okay, it's applicable for all sedan and SUVs. Okay, so talagang very important po ito. Kailangan natin to dahil po tayo naplatan on the way. Okay, especially sa highway, malaya vulcanizing siya para magpahangin ka. I think this is one of the prerequisite na requirement na to, necessity na to if you are a vehicle owner. Okay, let's try to open this one, but first let's check the box outside. Okay, as you can see, okay naman. Okay, mayroong mga ilang pictorials. Okay, makikita nyo may digital dito sa back side ng box. Sa harapan may analog. Okay, and then ito yung mga spec. As you can see, we will check the spec here. Okay, DC 12 volts, voltage, power 120 watts, up to 150 psi maximum pressure na kaya niyang inflate o ibuga o ipahangin sa mga gulong ninyo. Okay, for tire inflation, and then meron pa ito siyang built-in na lighting, parang flashlight na rin yata to. Okay, so DC 12 volts. So definitely ang power nito ay doon sa inyong mismong cigarette port, cigarette lighter port. Okay, 12 volts yun. So let's open it up. Okay, wala na laman. So okay naman yung packaging niya, no? So mayroon pa rin isang plastic sa loob. So and then ito na. Okay, so makikita ninyo, no, meron siyang instruction manual. Okay, car air pump. Okay, instruction for use. Okay, this is the model. Okay, again guys, no, so I think the price of this one is around 799 something. Okay, so 799 something plus 42 pesos na delivery fee from Lazada. Okay, so may instruction manual din naman ang laman. So English naman siya lahat, and then so easy to understand. Okay, so looking on the aesthetic side, the external part or physical appearance of this gadget, so meron siyang power on and switch here. Okay, and then may display siya dito na parang relo. Okay, may positive, may negative, at may letter R. So probably this increase and deflate. Okay, oops, kamaya na to. Sa other side naman, wala naman, medyo robust yung ano niya, medyo robust yung kanyang pagkaka-built in. So para siyang engineering plastic or something like robust. Standard plastic lang siya, matigas, malutong. It's not an engineering plastic, so makulay siya black and yellow, so visible siya sa eyes, just in case kung hinahanap nyo, kita nyo kaagad. Okay, and ito ang mahiwagang flashlight, nakabalot pa, LED type. At back side, as you can see, okay, ito na, sa back side makikita nyo na yung mismong hose. Okay. There you go. I think papilya na tayo sa hose na to. Okay, diretso doon sa mismong pito. Okay, sa pito mismo ng ating mga gulong, mapa kotse, mapa motorbike or bicycle. Okay, and then nakakonect na rin pala dito itong mahiwagang, okay, so this is now the power. So 12 volts siya, so rekta na rin mismo doon sa car cigarette port, doon yung sasaksak para i-power up to. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, so mahaba-haba rin naman tong itong power line. So it's around 3 meters. So 3 meters pwede na siya. So as of now, so yan ang itsura po ng ating car air pump. Okay, car air pump. So may kanin nyo, so yan po ang itsura nya. Okay, so we are going to use this now. Okay, punta tayo sa parking area. At may isa sa aking mga gulong ay low pressure. So we'll use this one, test this one, how it works and how to use it for the reference na ninyo and as part of the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's jump in doon sa parking area. Bago pala tayo pupunta sa parking area guys, no? So kanina pala nakita natin tong munting plastic na to. So as you can see, mayroong mga adapter to inflate. Okay, nakikita nyo mayroon ditong adapter to connect to your mismo dito, especially sa mga bola. Okay, you want to inflate, pahanginan yung mga bola. And the other one is from other yung pang swimming, masalbabida. Okay, magagamit ito. And there's a spare fuse for your here. Okay, so tatanggalin nyo lang to, nandun yung fuse. Okay guys, so tara. So as you can see guys, no, nakasaksak na yung 12 volts na supply ng air compressor natin. Naka power ignition na rin tayo. So makikita nyo yun, no, nag-alarm yung tire pressure ko na mahina yung aking hangin sa unahan. So ito, i-set up na po natin yung tire pressure, no? May supply na rin siya. So bago natin i-salpak, i-set na natin ng 38. So 38. So ayun, nakasalpak na ho siya, no? So ang reading is 35. As of now, we need 38. So power on. So tama guys, no? So nag-automatic nga siya. Once na ma-reach yung sinet na 38. Okay, na setting nyo. So guys, no, doon sa ating ginamit na air pressure na nireview natin. So 38 PSI ang ikinarga nating hangin sa apat na gulong. At accurate naman siya dito sa ating tire pressure monitoring system. So far it's good, no? So I like this gadget pang emergency na rin, okay? Iwas flat, okay? Pandagdag hangin. So hope you like this video, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, this is Bean Pat Biker Studio for another weekend tech gadget review. Let's get it on, guys.